This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, good morning. 7 minutes early. I'm impressed. Taking a quick look at another one of my screens, I see we're heading lower. And on the 60-minute, I see we're heading lower. Can we put in a little bit of a line here? Let's see what we're doing. Well, we can't draw 3 off that one. Don't like that. How about, oh, you know what? Yeah, we'll use the swing highs. We got that one, and we have that one. That one's a little too steep. Actually, you know what? Let me remove that one. My mic is on. I don't even know. Hold on. Audio mixer. Yeah, my mic looks like it's working. Let's go to the end. That would make sense. The tip. Hey. The tip to the tip. That would make sense. So we got those kind of two trend lines. You can see now it's 3 days down. No kidding. No kidding. This is the one I wanted to see. I wanted to see the trend line on the 4-hour chart. I don't follow trend lines that closely, so I give myself a lot of leeway. What if we were to put that right there and bring this up? Even in this case, even in the most optimistic scenario, we broke that. Oh, cat screaming for cookies. Okay, well, I mean, I had that one. Let me copy. Really? Paste? Yeah, paste. The other one I was following was this one. It was a lot more aggressive. But, yeah, we definitely broke through. I don't even need this one anymore. So I'm going to remove it. 4-hour, let's just load up the daily change. Take a quick look at NQ. We are trading down 186 based on the previous close that Ninja gives me. Gold. Gold is down $1. Came off a little bit off the highs. We didn't even approach 4,000. This could be just a little bit of a bull flag. And Bitcoin not doing anything, since we got up into the upper 120,000s. Kind of trading sideways in this range over here. If I were to box it off. Oops. I know, I mean, it's a big range, but if we were to do something like that, it's kind of been in that little sideways pocket. That's on the daily right there. Let's see which way we go. I mean, we are trading under the 100 and under the 50 moving average now, but the 50 still is above the 100. The 100 is still is above the 200. That's Bitcoin. Got a decent move to the downside there. Just looking at the... Actually, I should change that. It should say 1 minute. Or do I want to change it to 5 minute? You know what? I think you get a better picture on the 5 minute. We're going to stick with the 5 minute. Gold. It's not gold. Why does it say gold? Okay, MBT and gold. Anything we can remove off this chart? Not really, eh? I do want to keep the ATR. Wow, that's a pretty good range on gold right now. 3-point range on the 1 minute chart. No kidding, there's a little bit of opportunity there. Bitcoin on the 1 minute chart, $100. Not sure what's high or low. I don't follow that one that closely. What's the volume currently in NQ? 317,000. Not spectacular, but not terrible. $725.40. I'm looking. We got about a 200-point range almost in the pre-market range, which I look at. Starts at 6 a.m. And last but not least, Asia session. Did we wick? No, we didn't wick. Didn't tick out. So we're quite bearish today. We're below the Asia session lows. We're below the London session lows. We're below VWAP. We're below previous day's close, and of course below previous day's low. So even if we're going to pull up a little bit, I think we're already going to start to see some resistance around the 585 level. I know I was looking at the 600. Let me put up, can we see it on the 4-hour chart? 4-hour chart, the 600 level I was looking at. 500, 600. We did do a push off. It was a minor one. The main push off was over here at, see, I marked it with a line. This was where the last serious support, and then we got a strong push higher. That's around 280, somewhere around there. This level here didn't hold. Let's get this up again. This level over here didn't hold. The 680, 650, whatever. I can certainly draw in a line over there. F6. That level didn't hold. It was resistance over here. We got support, and then we just blew right through it now. So we are kind of looking bearish. Let's see what today brings. Maybe we'll have some volatility today. Pre-market volatility ready. We're at the range. 10 points. This could be a little area to short. What time is it? 9:18. If you want to take a pre-market short. Low risk. 64 stop. We're almost there right now. Yeah, I know this one's going to stop out. Give me a second, guys. Where are the scenes? I need my scenes back over there. That's where I understand them to be. I can't do this. I need the scenes here. I need access to this. See, that's why I need it. Those things happen. Doom, 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 doom. Good morning. Okay, there we go. We got everything set up. So, yeah, basically, if you guys were there earlier, the bias is bearish right now. I mean, this tells the story right there. I'll keep that up for a while, let that sink in. That's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm seeing. Open it up a little bit. We broke this swing low, and we are now currently breaking this swing low. So the two most recent swing lows. We already have a break of structure over here. Took out this really conservative trend line because it could have been quite a bit higher also. That would have been a little bit more aggressive. But this is about as non-committal as you can get using those wicks on the bottom on both sides. Broke through that with momentum. So, you know a trade I like? There is one trade that I like, and that's the trade where we retest that trend line from the underside. So, doesn't mean we can't see some upside action today, definitely. Put up the 1 minute here. Okay, so let's get Bulenox open. I'm going to take a short over here. That is not what I want. I gotta find a good place for my coffee. That's the one missing element. It's blocking a couple of critical areas. Oh, wait, that's another... I'll take another 2 lot here. That's what I'm gonna work on today mostly. Mostly. Good morning, Omnius. Welcome to the jungle. Prism. Omnius is brought to you by Prism. Really? Okay, catching a bit of a move here. Wasn't even paying attention. It should be 10, 79, 69. Look at that, we already hit it. I was daydreaming. That trade should be out. Hopefully we'll come again. Buy limit 2. Let's put a buy limit there for 2. Those should have been out already. Those trades hit. Hey, you still got Prism Lens down there. Is that your new name? I don't hear you. Let's go check him on his stream. No, I don't think he's talking on his stream either. Just me. Even that, it's kind of warbled. It's underwater. Even that, it's kind of warbled. It's underwater. Yeah, there, a little better. Anyways, we'll let Omnius work out his audio problems. Maybe I'll write him a big sign that says no audio. He's smiling. He hears me. I would write it out, but I don't have time. Markets are going to open. I got a position that I shouldn't even have been in. Come on, take me out. Maybe I'll lighten up a little bit and get rid of this one. There we go. Took me out. Perfect. $87. First trade. Okay, let's have a poll. Is Omnius looking for an excuse not to stream today, or is his microphone really not working? Oh, hold on, I do have one for you. It's near the market open. Sources plus image. I'm not gonna add it now. We'll do it later. I'll have to remember. Make a note. Where's my pen? Minute. Opening bell. Wow, I do have a couple of potential short entries here. I'm seeing his mouth moving. I'm just not sure if he's chewing tobacco or trying to talk. Oh! Oh no, that was me. Sorry. Okay, markets are opening. I'm going to focus on what I got to do. We're going to be taking 2 lots. We are looking for shorts. 56. Let me tighten this up a little bit. I don't know, I'm thinking short. Shit. Good luck, good luck. I hope I didn't make a mistake. Oh, I heard you a little bit there. I heard something. There was proof of life right there. I'm going to take that only because maybe if I sit more forward, I'll be more in the game. Sit up. 35, 42. Do I want to short at 42? We just took out the pre-market lows. 44. I'm going to sell another couple here. 2. I'm short at 40, 42.50. 35, 42, 49. I'll cover 7 points. Let's go. Hit my take profit. Come on, push it lower. Oh, wrong way. You don't want to spike twice under the pre-market lows. Taking too long. That's enough. Don't want to increase my risk. Oh, Sparky, be quiet. Really doesn't want to go under that time there, eh? I think I'm going to cut it right there. No! Close, 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 close. Wrong. Okay. I have no idea what I did there, but I hope it was good. Hold on to your hats if you're wearing one. Still is bearish, but I went for, yeah, hold on to your hats. Okay, well, today's time to learn sign language. 2-minute ORB. Let's watch the 2-minute opening range break. See if we get it to the upside, to the downside. Omnius is always doing good with it. He's really focused right now. Kind of looks like it. I could say anything and he can't answer. I love it. I have free reign. Be quiet, Sparky. I'm still focusing. Shit, you can't have cookies 17 times a day. I'm going to keep the pot open, but then you're going to knock it down. There you go. 3 cookies. Good last. Sorry for clearing my throat. Well, we got 3 wicks there on the 1-minute chart. The little box you see over here, let me change my cursor. The little box you see, that is the opening, pre-market open, 6 to 9:30. I like to look at that because that's what people are looking at in the stock market. They're not so much concerned as what happened at 6 p.m. or 1 a.m., but from 6 a.m. to 9:30. Stocks are trading with all the platforms, and that's what forms the pre-market range. If I tighten it up a bit, you can see that the pre-market range, we're trading at the lows right now. Let me again just remind you guys, take a look at the 4-hour chart. This is the most conservative that I can draw the trend line on the 4-hour, and we broke below it. Although we are doing, trying to make a little bit of a bounce back over here. Let's see. Is Omnius trying to fix his mic? Yeah, I think he is. I was joking. Nobody wrote that. Gotcha. We're trading lower. I missed an entry. To make a joke, I missed an entry. That cost me. Great. Great. Now I'm going to enter in late. Hey, I hit sell ask. Didn't work. I'm on here to crash register ring. This is where I paid a price, because we just wicked the lows we made a couple of minutes ago. But then again, we are looking for the 2-minute opening range. A close below it. We got 15 seconds. This will be the close. 1, 2, 3, and it'll also be forming the 5-minute. The 5-minute range. So we're going to close at the low of the 5-minute candle. I got to assume we're going to break it. How do I know we're doing that? Because I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that was the 5th candle. Good morning, Butter Stunts. Let's break below the 5-minute candle, get some stops run in there, some entries, got out. Butters, I have a job for you. You want to come into the Discord? And when Omnius moves his mouth, try to fill in the words, try to guess what he was saying, and pretend you're his voice. Omnius's mic isn't working. Or his connection isn't working. He'll get it. We always find it. Yeah, that does sound fun. Hey, he keeps doing this. I don't know. My dad was a mechanic, and whenever he couldn't fix something, he would bang it. Swear to God, he would either hit it with his hand or he'd hit it with a hammer. I don't know why he thought that was a way to repair things, but he did. Wow, this is just a dump. Let me mark 9:30 here. I didn't take advantage of this enough. Wow, we've only had one 20-point. Yeah, but a 20-point move higher. In this, since the open. That's the best the market was able to muster. Okay, I did want to trade my my bot manually. It did so well yesterday, but we're too far away from the bands. 583, 40, 100 points away. That's too far. The loss would be too big. Let's see if we can get the cash register to ring. Come on. Ka-ching. There we go. That's the sound we all want to hear. That's the sound to start the morning. I don't know why I don't just take it all every time it cha-chings and then just stops me out on the next piece. Omnius is drinking from an invisible cup because he's a wizard. It's true, your cup was invisible there for a second. Do I want to hang on to this one more? No. It's only a 2-lot. Give me another bearish candle, I'll add. Let's see if we can get the cash register to ring twice in a row. Or are we basing over here? I hear you now. Wow, I don't know how that does, but you're a technology wizard. I would not know how to do that. Yeah, you sound different. This is your real voice. Let's go. Come on. Give me a... Oh, you can't go in... Ta-tling, 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 ta-tling. Lots of cash registers ringing there. Taking it all. Thank you very much. Was that English? Pow, pow, sound phones. He has to find somewhere to put his phone, for all of you who didn't understand what he said. Oh, can you take the cotton out of your mouth? No, it's all good. I'm bugging you. It's all good. I'm just bugging you.
Try soundboard. I don't want soundboard. I want sound. See, you can see me.
Hey, look at that.
Brought to you
That's
by...
fun. Prism?
Does it still say Prism? I don't know, man. They did updates.
No, it doesn't say. It doesn't say.
I'm glad they did that update.
Doesn't say Prism. Oh, that little thing that you use, you know, the thing that's in your ear. It doesn't have a mic, like right over here, where it'll be closer to pick up your voice.
I'm going to plug it in my phone.
Wow. If you're on the
I got
mic.
no input.
Yeah, I got you. Mine neither. Bluetooth only. Holy shit. We're under S1 and S2. We're pushing towards S3. It's crazy.
Closer spot for my phone.
It's a crash. We're crashing. We're crashing.
Why'd y'all give me all these problems this morning?
Wow, we still... Yeah, I know. It just doesn't make sense that it just happened.
I put it on the mic stand. Get some use out of the mic stand.
Oh, there you go. Sounds better. It is possible you do get these problems also because you use your easiest trade of my life. Yeah, I know. This is crazy here. I'm not getting enough out of it. I'm up $240, but I want more.
Must be nice to actually trade the market.
Yeah, you're missing a good move. Finally, the first one in like 3 months. But I was saying you use your computer for gaming, so that's a possibility that why things screw up. Now, it's not to say.
I think the Windows did an update. I think Prism did an update. I don't know, everything got screwed up. I'm not even. I don't know if you heard on my stream. I had the mic muted, but when I turned the mic on, it's just static, like really loud static. Yeah,
no, I wasn't. I was on here.
And then now, I can't even find my mic. Not even there. So it disappeared.
Oh. You're coming across on my end.
Through the phone.
Yep. Be right back. Gotta go make breakfast. Have sausages. I love sausages for breakfast.
Yeah. Sausage, bacon, eggs.
Nah, I'm a sausage guy. I love bacon. I love me some bacon, but if I have to make a choice, I'll go with sausages. Now you just made me in the mood to go for breakfast.
How come I don't see you on Oh, I got it. because it kicked me off whenever I joined on my phone.
But all joking aside, how did you figure out how to connect your phone to Discord?
You know,
Oh, you just go to the
phone?
Discord on your phone. Yeah, okay, there you go.
Not the way I envisioned the day, but it's got to be something screwed up on the computer because it won't work on Discord. It won't work on Prism. Now it wanted to show up. I don't know what the hell I did. I was trying to route it a different way, but it looks like that's not working either. Check.
There we go.
Check.
Check. Mic check. 1, 2, testing.
I don't know, man. You got any audio experts around them?
Well,
don't know.
When that happens, the only solution is start from scratch.
From scratch is I got to find my microphone.
Yeah, I mean, like you take everything out and start over. I don't know. Either way, however you handle it, it's a pain in the ass.
The first step is finding the microphone. How do we do that? Don't. I'm going backwards, not forward. It's just not even there.
3044.
What I might have to do is unplug everything, reset the computer. I think that's probably going to be the option. Faults. What's fault? Don't tell me y'all screwed me over. Okay. I got my trade. At least some good news out in the morning. I was worried that I left the order or something screwed me over. Okay, got my trade. Where am I at? Oh, man. Wait, what am I? Okay, this one. Yep. It's close again.
He's a magician. His mic's not working. The markets are dumping.
Bam, I don't know if you can hear me. Oh, he's not going to be able to hear me either. There ain't going to be no sound.
You should be able to still bring in Discord the way you always did. If you were on Discord with your phone. No? No?
No,
think?
Ain't nothing.
No, you know what? This is excellent. This is perfect volatility. This is always my range. This is what I like. 20, 21, 25 points range on the 1 minute candles. I'm still curious as to why, though, you can't bring in Discord through Prism with your phone. Oh, because you're bringing it through your computer. And
kicked me off, but it won't let you be on the computer and the phone at the same time.
Yeah, I got it. Believe it or not, even in this dump, I got a bit of a long here. I got in at 60.
I could use. Hey, let's check
got
this
it at
out.
70. That was a quick $200.
It's probably gonna kick me. It's gonna kick me off, but we'll check.
If I'm not mistaken, I think we have new home sales at 10 o'clock. You want to keep an eye out on that. I hear you. If I'm not mistaken, I think we have new home sales at 10 o'clock. You want to keep an eye out on that. I hear you.
Hello?
I also hear your mic working.
You do hear me?
Yep. but I'm hearing double. It's like you have your computer on or something. At least for a moment there, I heard it. Maybe you were just testing.
I think it's my TV. But I still don't hear me.
Look at him. You're the man. He's using his TV to broadcast. You're a movie star. You're a television. Give me your autograph.
Going through my camera. Should sound like crap.
That's fine. Most of my the people in my room anyway say your voice sounds like crap, so there's no difference.
I know. That's what makes it great. That's why I draw ugly trend lines.
Yeah. Oh, that looks like a different mic.
What?
Is that a different mic? Is that the one you always use?
That's one I always use.
Oh, look different, look thinner. Thought it was a different one.
SM57. You could use this thing as a weapon. Beat the hell out your neighbor and then go right back to streaming. They don't make them like that anymore.
New home sales. We got Fed speakers today.
It's weird that it picks you up, but it won't pick me up. So I have your audio on my stream, but not mine. I guess I might as well go ahead and kill mine. There's no point in having it on.
Let me try something here for a 2-lot. Buy bid. Buy bid. Wow, you say, how good is this? This is what trading's about. How's that? Getting it at 85 and like 6 seconds later getting out at 01. Ah, boy, do I miss these days. Continuation when there's a spurt. Because the charts I use, they're wonderful in catching the next little micro move. The only problem is when the micro moves in low volatility are only 2 points. It's garbage. When you're at 25-point range on the 1-minute candles, your micro moves are 10, 15 points each time. That was nice. That was fun. Let's see. Went long again. I will add. I'm long at 06.
What do you like better? You like the phone or the camera?
The way you're on now, I just added, so I'm long at 10. And I'm out at 20. I'm offering at 20. And that was half. How's that another 10 points like in 4 seconds? Baby, baby.
I'm in a trade, but I'm not in a trade. Yeah. How does this happen?
I don't know. I never understand what you mean when you say that.
I was in a trade, but I didn't have no orders.
Oh, got stopped out on that one. Wow, that was a bit of a dump. An unexpected dump. Thank God I had to stop in.
Can't hear you. I can't hear me. It's terrible.
Okay, well, we've moved over to the short side.
I took a second trade for the day. It is now about $20 away from passing the account.
I'm taking that. The only reason why I'm taking that is because trailing stop always gets taken out. What are we watching here? NQ on the 5-minute. We're very far away from the moving averages that Omnius follows. I'm just taking a look at that. Those are all the way up at 24,700. And as a quick reminder, I think the next support that's obvious is at 24,270. So we're still, yeah, okay, I'll be here. Or why don't you just trade the day like this and just get right into trading? Stop troubleshooting. Do the troubleshooting later. Why throw away a day? It's a great day. You get. That's fine. I got you coming in. Go listen to my stream. It's good enough. I mean, it's a little muffled, but it's not the end of the world. Yeah. Okay, whatever works. Sounds good. I'll be here. Take care. Okay, so I'm looking for a potential short if I can get a bit of a pullback, which looks like we're trying to bounce over here. Potentially. I don't know yet. I can't read it, can't see it. I need it to go up to about 65 for me to call it a bounce, and we're not there yet.
Order filled.
Okay, took a bit of an early short there. Wow. That was very quick for a quick 40 bucks on a two lot. I'll take it. Copy trading there, and look at that. Perfect timing on that trade, to be honest with you, because we just shot right up. Coming up on the bands over here, eh? Yeah. I'm thinking it's a decent entry. I'll trade. I got in late. That's what I don't like, though. Now my risk is higher than it should be. If we get another bearish candle, oh, you guys aren't seeing it. If you get, anyways, on my charts, if we get a bearish candle, there we do. I'm gonna improve my price by getting out of one piece. I'm surprised people are green today. Usually when I'm super green, people are struggling. And when people are doing great, I'm struggling. I trade a little bit differently. Okay, let's see. I can put up maybe the Renko screen. Did you see the PW drama yesterday? No, what happened? Girls got naked, and he didn't want to fool around. Where are my screens? Join bid, I'll take it. 63. He was yelling at one of the girls over saying ICT. Oh, really? Yeah. Show business. That's all it is. Hold on a minute, guys. Like, that's why I think it's tough to have a woman as a president. It's you can't get into a high stress situation and start crying. It's just not a good look. Okay, trying to get in trade over here. We got in. I don't think we got in late. We have a decent price. Gonna lighten up if it pops a little bit higher. I don't want to take too much risk on this trade, but I am hoping to hear the cash register ring. No, lighten up, and we're out. Thank God for the stops again. 2 times in a row. You're muted. Sound check 1 2. It's possible I was muted. I don't really know. Sound check 1. Very good. Sound looks good. Now I'm gonna get a real trade here. A nice trade. None. Sell ask. Short at 51. I'm short at 48.50. Not the greatest. Let's go. Let's get down to 40, 40, 40, 40. I don't know what, 40, 43, 44, somewhere around there. 48, 47, 50, 52, 51, 54, 56, 62. I'll add, but I will stop out if, oof, that was quick. Well, live by the sword, die by the sword, right? It's okay. There'll be another entry. There's always another bus pulling into the station. What do we got there? 86, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get up to 93. Can we get up to 93? 87, 88. I'm long at 81, 86, 88, 90, 93. There's the 93. That's what I was targeting. Got it. Wait for another entry. I'm going to get a lot of them. I love volatility. 30-point range on the 1-minute candles. I am not complaining. As long as you take your losses and you get out and you respect your numbers, this type of volatility is fantastic. The days of DCAing and hoping and praying are gone or far behind me. I'm in, I'm out. I either get paid or I take a small loss. Either way is good. Depending on how far away we are from the moving average, determines my lot size. The farther away we are, the lower I'll take a position size because we're extended. But I do like it here already. I think I might want to take a starter position. I just don't want to see it go down too much more on me. 85, maybe in the low 80s. 84 bid right now. 86, 89, 90. Look how fast it is. I love it. 83. I wanted 81. I missed by 2 points. Well, problem is at 24,500, I'm going to get a long entry. I wanted it. Another one on another chart. That one's a little bit late, but can't enter now based on that one because that would be entering early and I missed the other one. So it is what it is. I'll just take that one for lower size because I'm not crazy at entering at a round number like that, 24,500. There it is. There's the entry. Oof. Talk about bad entry. Talk about bad entry. That's human error right there. When there's human error, just get out. Just get out. Human error. I hesitated. Not sure why I hesitated, but I hesitated. Either way. Wow. The entry, remember I said, was at 24,500. We're already at 24,515. Didn't take long to get there. Today seems like the kind of day, if you got the direction right, you're going to get paid. Doesn't matter what your setup is. Could be the grandma sitting on the couch setup. The cookies are ready setup. If you have a setup, I think you're going to catch a little bit of a move. Oh, what a shame I didn't catch more of this. And the fact that I'm Omnius. Why is Omnius' camera? All the way there, although Omnius isn't. Let's get fake Omnius. We do have fake Omnius. There we go. Give him a present. He's working so hard. Fixing his sound. Well, that was another instance of not taking out the liquidity that kind of got established at 940, which I always question. If the markets need liquidity, why didn't it take it out? Nice bounce higher on the 1 hour. Look at that. That gives us some perspective. Look at that. We're pretty much making up the entire range, the entire move down from the morning. This is the start of trading right here. We never got a 15-minute opening range trade. We did get a 2-minute opening range trade. We did get a 5-minute opening range trade, but not a 15-minute. And now we're moving all the way back up to the top of the day's range of the regular trading hours. Trading right now at 24,550. My God, I was talking about 24,500. What? How many minutes ago? 3? 2? Hmm. Still pushing higher. It's another one of those cases. I think I should just jump in until we get a bearish candle. Does this show up? Oh, it does show up. Okay, you get to see what I'm seeing. Oh, great. It moves. Undo. Lock. $63. I got a 63 candle. We can move up to... 63, 1, 2, 3, 55 is 8, 52. Let me add a little bit here. I will stop out at 49 if it does go there. My average price right now is 59. I do think that not only is the US session high a bit of a magnet, so is VWAP right there. So I might as well go for it, right? Long at 52. We're trading at 69. That's good. Another 17 quick points. Just keep adding them in. Wow, it's too bad about Omnius. This might be a really good day to, there we go, touching into VWAP. You know, I'm going to try to do, take a quick trade if I can set it up. If I can get a good price on the Renko, bearish candle down, first one. See if we're going to get a little bit of rejection here. But I do want that bearish candle to form. I don't want to guess. And then I am going to try and get a better price. Let me open it up so you guys can see it a little bit better. You can see what I'm doing. Waiting for that bearish candle to form. Have to wait for, there we go. Now I want a better price. That's about a better price. Okay, I don't know if those stops are right. I do want to stop out at, that's 82 and 79, 82, about 85 is where my stop's going to be. So 10 points, 10 points for 10 points. That's what it looks like. I'll add again if it turns bearish. My stop is at 85.50, so we will keep it there. And I have a take profit at 63. Let's see if we can get some momentum to the downside now. The rejection off the... There we go. Nice, nice. Ring the cash register. Let's go. Awful close, but moving in the wrong direction again. No, don't go that way. We were so close. I hate when we're so close. I think I'm going to try and bail on this. We were too close. We were too close. I have to bail out of that one. Got way too close to the take profit, and I didn't want to risk taking a loss on that. Oh, why did it have to move up against me like that? Couldn't just go. Had to fake me out. I mean, it didn't really fake me out, but it just got so close to take profit, and I can't really let it go into, I can't let it go to full loss when you get that close to take profit. The lines are so close together because, you know what, I'm going to remove this. I don't think I'm really using it. I do use this. Don't forget, guys, you still have the Bulenox 91% sale, eh? It's like 17 bucks for the 50K account. Think about the old days when we used to trade our own funds. You'd be risking 5 grand, 3 grand, not 17 bucks. We really should be cognizant of how good we have it. Really, we should be aware of how good we have it. Bulenox 91% off. Daytraders.com 90% off. There we go. Ring the bell. One time fee. You don't pay monthly. You know how much of a game changer that is? You play until you pass. Or fail, but you don't pay monthly. I am an affiliate. I am biased, but that really does seem like to be the best deal possible right now. Because you can take your time. You know how many accounts are failed because you get that end of the month stress with the rebill? And you don't have that anymore with daytraders.com. One time eval fee, 90% off. 50K account, like 30 some odd dollars. Take 4 months to pass. You only pay that fee one time. So was that a manipulated short squeeze we just saw there? 420, we bounced at 420. Is there anything? I don't have anything at 420, but I'm not looking far back enough over here. Takes load. Yeah, no, I'm looking at the 250 level. That's where we bounced the last time, right here. Those are some pretty thick end of session markers there. Hold on, let me end of day, break a day. Color up bars, trading hour break line. I think that's the trading hours break line. Dash 1, apply. Yes, it is. Well, we've gotten above the 15-minute opening range. We're looking for the opening minute, the opening range retest trade, which is, we got some confluence there also, because not only do we have the swing high, but we also have the VWAP. This is all at the 580 level. Let's get a push back down into the 580 level. That seems to be like the next good trade. Let's go tap into VWAP. I'm trying to take advantage of this because the price action has been really, really crappy the last couple of days. Last couple of weeks even. We finally got some volatility. That's fallen a bit. 20-point range now on the 1-minute candles, but that sure beats having 7 points. Take a bit of an early trade here. Let's see if we can ring the cash register. Open it up. We're so close again. Let's go. There we go. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Take it out. That's what I like to see. Now let's push higher. Don't take out my trailing stop right away. Let's get the trailing stop to move again. That's beautiful, beautiful. Now we're going to take it. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? Oh, we have an entry now at 05. We got a 73% entry at 05. Let me take that for a 5 lot if I can get in at a better price. 05, 03. I'll take that. 05. We're targeting 12. I got 11 and a quarter. Good enough. Good enough. That's a 73% trade. Push it. Let's get 73% immediately. Oh, 05, where do I want to add it? I'll add it 98. If I see 98. I'm long at 350. 99. 99 bid. 99. Back up to 05. Oh, I heard the ling. I heard the magic sound. Some guy's coming in for the action. He looks good. He looks like he's back on his... okay, got filled at 99. If we go back up to 05, I'm going to improve my price and get out with that extra piece. Good morning. 02, 01.
Hi, you heard me.
Seen a little weakness. 03, 04, that's it. There we go. There's the first half out. How easy can you get? Now let's target 12. Let's go. Push it, push it, push it. Push it. Anybody get in with me? We're almost there. Don't do that to me again. I'm taking it. It's good enough. I'm happy. There we go. I shouldn't have taken it. You know the 10-second rule? Hang on for 10 seconds before you press the button. I should have respected the 10-second rule. I didn't. What can you do? Big man Omnius is back here. Let me get rid of... oh my God. There we go. Now. Next. Renko. Gone. And. Speaker forever hold your peace. Let me check your mic.
Can you hear me now?
It looks good.
Can you hear me now? Am I still there?
I like the fake Omnius animation. Looks like he's gonna look for a pullback. Yeah, we got real Omnius, even better now. Looks like he's gonna look for a pullback. Yeah, we got real Omnius, even better now.
You gotta turn your speaker off.
Yeah, I was just doing a sound check, waiting for you to. Ouch.
I pulled the plug out the back of my line 6 and that shut my whole computer off.
No kidding, eh?
I was like, damn. It's just what, USB or whatever. Why is that? Turn the whole computer off.
You know what? USB does some funny stuff to my computers too. It really freezes my computer. Coming up into previous day's low, but from underneath, not from above, so it's not as powerful.
Then I was trying to open Prism. It was doing a bunch of weird stuff. Like, what is this? Every program now is going to cause problems? I don't know. They did an update to Prism.
It's frustrating. That's all we know.
Yeah.
That's all we know.
Ways to do stuff.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, it's really good price action. I'm not taking advantage of it too much.
It must be nice. Then I was trying to update my drivers on the line 6. And I was like, man, I don't remember the password to get into it. I don't know the password to update the drivers.
Well, the other day you told me that you always use the same password. It's OMNI hashtag $ MSIR question mark 62. No?
No, I always use the same password. It's show me money and titties. Why would you ever use anything else?
I don't know if it was my imagination, but when I said you told me you always use the same password and I started talking, your face changed a little bit, almost like, did I tell him my password and is he going to say it online now? Now I know I don't think you thought that, but that's almost in my mind what your face looked like. Holy shit.
My password. Won't even tell the kids. I don't trust them.
No, of course not. You can't do that.
I won't even give my son the password to the computer. He's like, Dad, don't you think by now I can know the password and do it myself? I'm like, no. And if you figure it out, I'm never going to let you use it again.
Take a quick look at the 1 hour. We had resistance at 650, and then we kind of bounced off it 1, 2, 3 times. It was support, and we're coming back into the 650. So this could be a level that we reject off of, especially since we just took out the...
Where are you seeing the resistance at 650?
650, 1 hour. Hold on, let me put it up here. Boom, 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 boom. Resistance. On September 19th, we bounced right off it. No, support, I'm saying. It was resistance on September 16th. See my 1 minute chart right there? Resistance. Sorry. Resistance over here. Then it became support over here also.
Got you.
And now we're bouncing in. We're coming right up into it. So it might. I mean, I'm not a big fan.
I had a line there. I got rid of it.
There might be a little bit of a... Plus, we're at the previous day's low.
And we also have an hourly gap right there. I was wondering if he was looking at the gap.
Jesus Christ. And we got the initial balance high. I mean, there's a whole lot of nothing up there right now. A whole lot of something. I mean... But let's see us push through it. That'll be impressive. That'll show strength. But you know what? You can never trust it. Even if you push through it and you hold above, markets still have a way of faking out and still coming down back into it. There's all kinds of different looking fake outs.
I don't know if you heard me earlier, but about $20 away from passing this Bulenox eval. The one before I had up there and then took a loss.
It went, yeah. Are you still going to leave it up to the system for $20?
I want to, yes, because I want... Yeah. How messed up would that be?
Mm-hmm. And then what are you going to do also? What's the logic? Are you going to let the trade run to completion? I mean, if you're up $50, you might as well just close it. Or are you going to let the system close it out normally, regardless?
It generally goes so fast you wouldn't be able to intervene, right?
Well, you can't interfere anyways. Yeah.
I mean, I could just put on like 1 micro and take a couple trades. But really, that kind of defeats the purpose. The purpose is could the bot pass an eval on the conservative settings without having to worry about blowing the account? Because if it can do that, why not use it for a pro account? PA. So that was always the thing, is create the bot to be able to pass the accounts. But what about going a step further?
Mm.
The goal was to say, hey, this account was completely passed with nothing but the bot. I didn't have to worry about blowing it. I think my max drawdown so far was what, $800?
Yeah.
That happened one time. I mean, that's not bad.
Mm-hmm. I have it long at 19, targeting 26, 73% probability. 23 on the offer. Let me add a little bit to this. Open it up. That stop's not in the right place. The stop should be at 05 over there. And this should be at 26. The numbers got put in the wrong place. Not crazy about this one though. Want to lighten up. Oops. Okay, lightened up. Because I'm not crazy about the trade. Still targeting 26 on the final three. Put in the order. See what happens. $11. I'll add a 3 lot here. We are seeing some selling. If I can get up to 14, 15, I will lighten up. 13, 15, lighten up, improve my price. Long at 11, targeting 26, 15 points. It's so close. I'm taking it. I'm not risking it. And there you go. Went through it. That was fun. Didn't get to hear the cash register on it. But that was fun. Yeah. It's beautiful. I love it. It's like the old days. 16-point range now. Still, it's coming down the range on the 1 minute candles, but still at 16 points. I remember for forever, years maybe, 16, 15 was the lowest it would get. If you saw 12, you were going, "Oh my God, it's dead." Now we're saying if I see 11-point range on the 1 minute candles, I'm saying, "Ooh, it's volatile." It's nice to have some. It's nice to have some movement back. I can work with it. I can make money with this. I put a whole bunch of notes on my hand. I don't even remember what they stand for. No idea. Nope, not unless we're doing a Clearasil commercial. Not unless we get sponsored by Clearasil. Until that happens, you do not get to see the pores on Omnius's face. So, you know what you guys have to do. Get on the phone, call Clearasil. Tell them you have... Ooh, the trading is so easy. I'm starting to get tempted to want to increase my size. You know what's going to happen when I do that, right? The market will slap me. You don't even have to guess. You don't have to question it. The market will slap me. Whatever trade I will take will be a loser. A-Y-E, I would say. But some people here, they write it E-H. I think one's French. Is in French, E-H, and A in English, A-Y-E. Just the letter A? A? Yeah, no, A-Y-E. Give me a A. Oh, you don't know why I'm in such a good mood. I didn't tell you. Yeah. That's it. My wife made me an appointment for my weekly prostate exam. We were accepted. No. No. Well, you know, yesterday I kind of got, I wouldn't say the finger, but from YouTube support saying you were kind of done looking at your case. Hey, whoa! How'd you do that? You're green, but your Omnius is red. I like it. I like the red. Give me a sec here. Let me do it. So they told me, you know, it's kind of like a blow-off letter. Hold on, I might be getting stopped out of my trade here, and I don't even know where my trade is. It's over here. It's on not stopped out yet. Still hanging on. Maybe I'll add. I'm going to add. Give me a sec, guys. Omnius voice isn't working still. I don't know if you guys had fixed that before. It's not working yet. It's working. I do. Why did that happen? That was an accident. Sorry about that. No, I didn't want you to let him know I'm in a good mood because I was going for a prostate exam. Or both. You see, now you're talking about such fun stuff. I can't even concentrate. I'm just so excited. Okay, so I got the finger sort of from YouTube support. Just the standard email, even after waiting 6 weeks and supposed to be with engineering and channel management and all that. Anyways, long story short, the problem, you know, that pending thing that was stuck on my channel for forever? After they gave me the blow-off, like a couple hours later, the pending was gone. So maybe they fixed it, and maybe they just didn't want to say it in the letter that they were, you know, in the letter they sent me, that they were going to clear it out. But whatever, a couple hours later, it was gone. Yeah, because we're talking about like almost a 6-month problem. My channel has been freed. I don't know if you're trying to fix the look of you or of your background, but if you're doing the background, you're better off just working on the image, just the background image alone without you. I got a schlong here, I got a schlong at 26. I have a schlong at 26, targeting 33. There's your 33. You see? Did anybody catch that? Anybody catch that? Well, we're making jokes to make you laugh. Good trades are slipping through our fingers. Good things are slipping through our fingers. Fix your picture. Yeah, it's cut off on the side there. I don't get it. Why you're ending. Your left arm, your right arm, I'm not sure. Probably your right arm. It's always inverted. Your right arm is ending on a solid line at a 90-degree angle. It's not continuing, you see? There you go. See how you're getting cut off there, not going all the way to the end of the background? See, I'll go all the way to the end of my background. I don't know. Okay, guys, it's time for trading aerobics. Give me a left. Give me a right. Oof, I'm out of breath. Took another long at 1550. Do not go long with me on this trade, because this is a trade that, this is a test. Oh yeah, look at that. You're ending there too. I don't. I go all the way to the end. We fixed a bunch of stuff, but we broke a bunch of stuff because we got to keep ourselves working. We got to keep ourselves employed. Last time Jeff fixed everything and didn't leave anything broken, Jeff was fine. He was let go. Jeff, we don't need you anymore. Everything's working. I'm long at 15. I don't know where I'm going to target, but certainly more than 10 points. We're at 21, 24, 25. There's a 10, 11. Eight, 10, 11. Let's go. Let's get over the previous day's low again. 27. I'm long at 15. We're at 29. 27, 29. I'm going to take 29. I took 29. That was 14 points. A quick 14 points. Are you running the beauty filters? Let's see the shorter jaw. Yeah, your green screen's all screwed up, though. I'll show you how to fix it later. Remind me. I would make a note in my I don't really care. You want to try doing something in Discord with me right now? Remove all your green screening. No, first go into Discord. Disable your camera. Then turn on your camera and you're going to get video background. Choose custom and choose your Omnius Trades background and then turn on camera. See, for me, it's Discord that's doing this for me. It's not OBS. It's not Prism. You're running it through Prism. You're right. I paid him the $4 a month to have green screen. You're right. I hate it, but I do. Yeah, I hate it, but I do it. Yeah, but, you can try their, custom background. You're right, if you want to bring in your custom background. Yeah, I can't get green screen to work well on, I can't get green screen to work well on OBS, but I did get it to work 100 times better than I've ever gotten it to work before in OBS. You listening? Because I asked GPT what the settings are, and it told me what kind of settings to play with and what they do. And there was 3, and I got it almost perfect. As opposed to, let's say, almost perfect would be a 90% score out of 100. Before talking to GPT, my background, my green screen wasn't better than 30, 40%. I hated it. It was lousy. I just couldn't get it to work. What'd you do now? Anyone through 2. Thinking, processing, delivering, reanalyzing, scheduling updates, performing color match, inverting, flipping horizontal, failed. There are trades everywhere. Yeah, disconnect and reconnect, yeah. Yeah, it's a shitty week here too. Rainy. Rainy. What are we at? We're at 15 points. Trading sideways. You see, even trading sideways, when your range is 15 points, it's easy to clean up. We did bounce off that level I was talking about. We poked up through initial balance high. You're still cut square, though. You're not getting the full screen. Weird. I got a trade here at 33. Do I want to take it? Maybe I should load up. Take a 4 lot if I can get in a better price before it runs without me. 35, 36. I'm supposed to be in at 33. You see, again, not paying attention. That's it. Missed the fucking trade. 8, 10 points right there. Focus. A program for what? Yes, it does. I just don't like it. Oh, remove background or green screen? There's 2 different things. Yeah, you have to import the one for remove background. It doesn't work on my computer, actually. I have to use the chroma key settings. You know, green screen settings, chroma key, where you're eliminating one color. And that color is... then you need a green screen, though. Wherever you don't have green screen covering, yeah, you don't have a green screen. So no, my way with OBS wouldn't work with you. I have one, but it's a small one. Here, hold on, let me... I mean, you've seen it, right? None. See what I got there? That little... I got butterfly wings. What? Oh, sorry. I was showing you there. I got butterfly wings. Flap the wings. Fly. I got butterfly wings, but that's enough. That's enough to... even though that... What? I find the green screen works better. with it on. Let's go for flashing futures floor. I like the flashing futures floor. Actually, you know what? I don't. I prefer the non-flashing futures floor, this one. There we go. We'll just stick with that. I like this one. Okay, enough playing. Oh my God, the settings are wrong. Look, I'm going into your zone there, eh? My green line is into your chin. So stupid. So stupid. Like, see, those are the changes that I just don't understand how that happens on its own. You know I didn't do that. That's the thing, right? You're going to kill me if it was me cutting you out, eh? Okay, looks good enough. Let me lock mine. Y'all think we continue up at 1050? Oh, that's a hard call. Do we continue up? I don't know. We do have that area we got to get through. Let's get above 24,650. Let's hold above 24,650. And then I'll say there's a good chance that we continue up. Actually, 24,650 would be my line in the sand once we get above it. But right now we are trading higher. I mean, if you just look at the 1 minute chart, let me change my scene. Those little red dashed lines you see are swing lows and they keep climbing. And we're not taking them out. What we are taking out are the swing highs. We took out this one, we took out this one, we took out this one. We're above VWAP right now. We're trading right on previous day's low. The momentum is certainly to the upside right now. I'm more comfortable taking longs. I'm looking for longs. I just got a long trigger to 33. I can get in at 27. I'm not going to complain. That's 6 points better. This is going to be an easy breezy, hopefully cash register ring. Let's open it up. Let's watch this one, 33. Do I even want to add that 24, 25? No, my price is so good, I don't want to add. My stop is wrong, 33, 20. My stop should be at 19. That's my stop. And the correct take profit should be all the way up here, 40. That's the way the trade should be framed. I'm going to add some more, see if I can improve my price. It's so close to the stop, who cares? Get out of that piece, just a couple of points higher. And now I have a beautiful trade on. Let's get a push up now. Yeah, I was answering. I'm saying it's hard. Let's get above 24,650, 24,660. Let's hold. Once we hold there, I'll have a lot more conviction. This is a beautiful long here. Tiny stop. Tiny, tiny stop. 73% probability it hits. Take profit, ladies and gentlemen. It's high. That's nice. It's hard to not take that trade. Come on, look at that. Way to go. Way to go. And yes, believe it or not, even with a trade framed like that, that was a 73% probability. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Another $100 in the bank. We're seeing quite a bit of sideways action, eh? You see that on the 1 minute chart? Right under the right under that 24,650 level. Yeah. Trading sideways now. About 30-point range for the last little while. Control F12, wrong, Control F12. If I were to draw a box, that would be the box we're in right now. That's about 30 points only. Let's break one way or another. If you're a range you know what? I want to break out. We're in a gap on the hourly. I'm going to take a look at its sell market. Yeah. The gap, yeah. Close the gap. Close above the gap. Yep. Then break from the resistance. And then get over the 5-minute moving average at 690. Yeah, but think of them also as targets. Magnets. Mm. Mm. Not sure. I might have taken it. Mm. But right now, traded back up to that 24,650 level. Pulling back again. Gotta wait for a setup. No easy setup right here, unless you're a range trader. Well, okay. So, I've been trading my daytrader.com account, copy trading. And just for you guys want to know, total trades, 20. Yes, I'm an active trader. Daily P&L, 122.60 in account number 1, and in account number 2, it is. It is. That's for you. I'm boom boom. 122.60 on my first account. What is it in the second account that copied? The balance. 122.60. It's exactly identical. Trade result copying. You can't ask for better than that. Daytraders.com. 90% off. One-time eval fee, not monthly. Project X with trade result copying. Seriously? Yeah. You know what? No stress about trade copying anymore. That's why waste your time with any other trade copier that goes out of sync and has these issues when you have trade result copying as an option. No. You're confusing that with wealth charts. No, daytrader.com is Project X. Nope. Wealth Charts is completely independent. It's their own platform that kind of looks like Project X. And yes, it does do trade result copying also. There is a little bit of offset, but it's still very good. But unfortunately, Wealth Charts, it's shoot yourself in the head trading. Click a button. You're filled. Really? Change your lot size. Okay now. So you never know if your mouse is working or if you clicked in the wrong spot. You got to always wait 2 seconds. No, that's unacceptable. That's just...
The point of control for the day, right?
Wow, everything is just converging at the same spot, eh?
Yeah.
Point of control, S1, that 650 high. Whew.
And we have value area high right above us at 655. Looks like we came up, tested the value area high, and came back down. Now we're just kind of stuck in this range, though, aren't we? Get back on the 2 minute. Yeah. I could see it try to drop down, get a bunch of shorts trapped, and then go up. Maybe come back to the 24,585. Got a bit of a gap on the hourly. So maybe we come down, fill that gap, test the candle before, and push higher. Just kind of thinking of different scenarios.
Did I show you the trend line? Did we get to that? The trend line on the 4 hour? Did you see it? See how we broke it? Even on the most conservative of placements of that trend line?
Yep, good call. We actually can put it on the bottom of the wicks. We got 1, 2, 3 touches and a break.
Yeah.
So the question then is do we get a retest?
I love that. I was talking about that. I love that retest trade.
Push back up to about the 730, 740.
The 1 hour, I threw in a couple of lines there on the 1 hour we're looking at now. Once again, breaking swing lows, not breaking swing highs. On the 1 minute, we just broke a swing low.
Keep breaking it, you sound like a robot.
Oh, yeah. Shouldn't be sound. Always problems with the sound.
I don't know. Might have been my computer. Now it's resetting all my charts and stuff. I don't fucking know, man. I got a virus or something attacking my computer.
Well, I hope this continues. Forever?
Forever.
Forever, forever and ever.
So you're having a pretty good day, huh?
Me?
Yeah.
Somebody else? Me? Yeah. I'm 122 on one, 122 on another, 278 on another, and 561 on the other. Not great. Not great. I could have taken advantage more, but that's what the size that I trade will give me. And that's why I said I wanted to increase size. But if I increase size, all I'm going to do is get... No, but, you know. Huh?
What's your lot size?
2 lots, 3 lots. I did occasionally take a 5 lot. That's on the account that's up 278.
What am I on? I'm on a 4 lot. Come on. If you need more than that, you need more accounts. There's no need for more than a 5 lot. I mean, realistically.
Yeah. But I want to take advantage of the volatility.
I mean,
but I know I'm going to get slapped. Nah, I'm not going to do it.
Should get you between 300 and 500 a day.
Yeah.
And that's only with a few trades. I mean,
that's exactly the number. That's exactly the number.
If you can make 400 a day on a 5 lot, I mean, was it this week? I think once or twice this week, and last week I was almost 500 on a 4 lot.
Yeah.
I was like, dang, that's it. Done. I ain't trading no more.
Yeah. No, those are the numbers. Those are the numbers.
I mean,
a 1 lot.
Get that across 5, 6 accounts. What are you looking for?
Yep. A 1 lot for me, it's 60 to $100.
You want more? Add more accounts.
That's the problem, though. You got to have trust in the trade copier, and there's none that I have trust in except now Project X or Top Step X. So yeah, I think I'm going to be migrating over to daytraders.com. I got to see how many accounts they allow and stuff.
Any trade, I think they allow 5. I could be wrong though.
Yeah.
Any trade copier is going to have a small amount of slippage. Now, you're saying that you have a trade result copier. Okay, that's great. But if you have a trade copier, you're going to have slippage.
Yeah, no, I got to move over to Project X. I think you might be slowly seeing the end of NinjaTrader for me. It might take a while to get out of it, but there's enough companies now that are using Project X. I think I'll just diversify that way.
Can I switch my bot over?
No more bots. That's the problem.
Let me know when.
Yeah.
I mean, the sad news is they're going to end their relationship with NinjaTrader eventually, because NinjaTrader, I think, wants to come out with their own platform.
Yeah.
And of course, they already have. NinjaTrader's a legit futures. What would you call it? A lot of we're so much in the platforms company nowadays. A lot of people don't even know that anymore. But NinjaTrader's an actual legit futures company.
Yep.
I mean, you have NinjaTrader's just like AMP Global, or AMP Futures. They have their own fully functional futures thing. But then I heard that they're wanting to get into the prop space also.
Oof, did a little seek and destroy there, eh? Got all the way back up. Just a little bit over previous day's low and that 650 level. 654, whatever it is exactly. I mean, I never really 653, 654 approximately. It's a range, never a level. But it's also the initial balance high right there. So initial balance high, previous day's low, and that support resistance level at 650, all within 20 points of each other. I'm going to try something here. I'm going to take a one lot. That's my target right there on this trade. 10 points. Could have used the coin flip strategy. Oh! Another TP. Way to go. Pushing right back into previous day's low. Yeah, I didn't think... wow, that was an aggressive move down. Not enough to get you to touch and retest the 15-minute opening range. There's a lot of lines here because everything is converging in the same area. Looks busy. Looks like a train station with a whole bunch of train tracks. I can tell you it's normally not like this, but everything is up in the same level. Try to make it a little bit easier on the eyes. Maybe I'll use dots. Solid hash. Bar, block, cross, dot. Yeah, they're still big, those dots. I thought they'd be smaller. Well, to get a close above a recent swing high, to even consider a break of structure, we got to get over and close above 24.6, 651, 652.
You catch that spike up?
I did. Only for 10 points, though, but I did.
Skeletor, good morning.
Good morning, Mike. Omnius tells me to read the messages, so I read it. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Skeletor.
Man says good morning to you, and then you reply by saying good morning to you also?
No, you tell me to read the messages. I read the message. Good morning, Mike. Omnius, all.
This man says good morning to you. Just good morning, Mike, and then you say
Good morning, Mike. Skeletor knows what I mean. Skeletor gets me. Pushing that 650 level.
So where'd you get on the trade?
Oh, right here on the bullish, what screen are you seeing here? Yep, a little bit under the, you see the bullish candle there, the first one?
Yep.
Right there. Yeah, a little bit under. So let's say at 595.
Mm-hmm.
I got out at 608. So I think, don't quote me anymore. It was 2 minutes ago. I forgot.
Yeah, right.
Well, I take so many trades. I have to go into executions and see. That's approximately. Let me go see. Executions. I'll go tell you what I did. Exactly. 95 entry, 08 and a quarter exit. 13 and a quarter points. $11.15. Does anyone want to do chat's choice? Skeletor, you're fresh. You just came in. You want to pick a direction? I'm all ready to go. Fingers ready to hit the button. Long or short? Right here at the 650 level. Long. We are long at 48 and 3/4. We almost got stopped out in a half a second. Hey, Darius. Push. Do I have push? I don't know what scene I'm on. I didn't say dump. I said push. Come on, buyers. Come back in. Who called it? Stopped out. Tabernuch. Oh, yeah. Second chance trade. Just got in here. How's y'all morning? Not bad. Volatility. I'm happy. We got some volatility back. How much more can you ask for? Life is good. Life is good.
Unfortunately, my morning's been a little bit different than yours. But all is well.
Anyways, let's see if we can get over that 650 area, because if we can, and we can hold over 650, I think we're going to have a bullish day. Yeah, we're short. I'm a short-term trader, so yeah, I was selling into the down and I was buying into the up. So we caught some nice moves here. Very happy to say. Very happy to say. Caught some nice moves today. You know what? It's a change. It's like the sun's come out after a long rainy period. At least that's the way it feels for me. I got a trade on Top Step. I'm going to take it here for a 3 lot. See if I can get a better price. It's long at 54. I just got filled at 50. This is 10 points for 10 points. At 73% probability. Yes, it is. It's been a great day.
Order filled.
Added a little bit there. See if I can improve my price. Get over my entry. I mean, this is so close to the stop. That extra add is like a free trade. I'm on the flat null. That's it. Stopped out. Okay, so that one's a loser. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, I know, Butterstunts. You were happy about that trade. Well, I can't think of the last time we had random volatility like this in a day. With no catalyst. I mean, I don't really see there being a catalyst, even though there's speakers and stuff. I don't see that as being a catalyst. I've never seen them moving the markets much before. Today's such a good day. You know what it is? Today's a craft dinner day.
And today's Thursday.
I'm going to eat well with craft dinner. I love craft dinner. Who doesn't like craft dinner?
Mac and cheese?
Yeah.
My kids were asking for that yesterday, and the wife was getting on to them. No, not eating no damn mac and cheese.
Yeah, my wife gives me a dirty look when I make it, like I'm making something bad. Come on. It's mac and cheese. That, for me, honest, that's right under pizza. It's number 2. I think number 3 would be steak. I hope so. I hope so. I'll call you Big D. I know people don't like their names being spewed out sometimes, so I'm going with Big D. Big D because I don't know how to read your lick rater. I don't know how to read your was it your alias?
Why don't you just ask?
Your YouTube name? So I'll go with Big D. Ask what? Well, I know his name, so I'll go with Big D. His name starts with the letter D. I'm going to call him Big D till he says no. And if he says no, then I'm going to call him Little D.
We could just call him Raider.
Whatever works.
It's like whatever works.
Dude, hey, Raider. Name. Sure, Raider works. I like Raider. We'll go with Raider.
It's your name. You got to pick your own name, man. Come on.
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Okay, we go with Raider. Omnius says Raider. Raider it is.
He's like, you got to pick. No, it's your name. You got to pick.
Raider or Radar?
I don't know.
Could be there. Could be Radar. I mean, he put a 3 there. 3 is like a backwards E, but it could be Radar. Okay, I got another trade here. I don't know. I think I'm going to take it. It's a low risk trade.
Raider. Like
Raider, Raider, and Radar, Radar. So yeah, no, that's Raider.
Usually people ask. Nah, I don't even ask for people's government name. Like, pick your own name. We don't need cow tags. You can be whatever you want. Remember the video with the little boy? You can be whatever you want. You can be president if you want. You can be whatever you want to be.
You can be president if you want. Are you going to be a Republican or a Democrat? Dad, I'm only 4 years old. Okay.
There are no Republicans. There are no Democrats. There's only the system party. Once people realize that, their perception of government will change.
We got a little bit of short momentum here. I'm not sure. I got short. Some short. A lot of things saying short right now. I think I'll sit back and protect my gains. I got to mark in that trade. That was a losing trade. Hold on. Let me open it up.
What does that even mean?
Do you have any idea what the commissions are in AMP trading there? Omnius?
Commissions and AMP trading.
Yeah, let's say for one lot in MES, is it 50 cents each side or?
Used to be 53, I believe. I don't know. They change it every now and then, so I mean it's still dirt cheap, right? It's like 53 cents.
Oh, you can't ask for better than that.
I mean, when I used to have a Think or Swim, shit, they wanted like $1 or something.
Woo, lucky you. You should see how they were raping us over the coals over here in Canada with the commissions.
Then when I asked them to lower the commissions, they're like I was trying to steal food off their plate or something. Yeah, I told you about that before. I'm like, come on, man, because you can call them and ask them to lower the commissions. And one time I called, they lowered like 5 cents. I was like, that's the best you can do? I called back and they're like I'll act like I'm stealing food off their plate. I'm like, listen, I got Ninja Trader, I got AMP futures, like I'm paying literally like 50 cents. Why am I paying you like $1 or $2 per contract? You know what they told me? I told you before. They said, we have the best platform ever. It's like, not really. I don't even really like it. Not a fan. Then the guy said, "What's the best options trading platform?" I'm like, "Yeah, it's probably pretty good for options. I'm
It
not
is.
trading
It is.
options.
You're talking Thinkorswim, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this was before a lot of the other platforms even had options. So now you got a bunch of them that come out. This was before that.
Mm-hmm. That sucks. Okay, so let's make the adjustment. Now it's 9 trading days. Trading days, not days. Trading days. So it's traded for 9 days. 14 winners. 6 losers. Plus 690. Well, 14 and 6 is still a very good record. And I'll tell you something else. We've never had 2 consecutive. We only one time we've had 2 consecutive losses in a row on Chat's Choice. So there's a really good indication at 11:45 we're going to have a winning trade called. Three minutes to 11:30. We all know what 11:30 is.
What is it?
The big move. What Chip always warned me. Expect a big move at 11:30. I never really was able to confirm that, but I never really looked that hard either. But he was a believer in a big move at 11:30.
Micros are 60 cents now. So they raised them a little bit. It's still not that bad. What's
You know what I would argue for? A fixed price.
For what?
For a trade.
It is.
No, a fixed price, not per micro. A fixed price. Let's say $4. And you choose. You choose either, depending on your size, either 60 cents or $5 per side, no matter what your lot size is.
I don't know what you're saying.
You put in a 20 lot, you pay $5. You put in a 5 lot, you pay $5. A fixed price.
No, you're for your per contract. It's
well, that's what I'm saying. People should argue for a fixed price.
It is a fixed price. It's per contract.
No, a fixed price, not per contract. A fixed price.
You're not buying a fixed price. You're buying a contract.
No reason why you should pay more on a 1 lot or a 10 lot. It's the same accounting. It's just the numbers different. It's not more work for them. They don't have to do 10 times the work.
It used to be 50 cents. I feel like they I don't think that's fair. Because now it's 60 cents, but mini is $2. So if you're doing 60 cents, it used to be like 4.5 or something was a mini. So what do you got now? 60 times 4. That's already over a mini. 60 times 3.
I don't know if you're interested. I'm going to cut you off because the 15-minute opening range high is right here, and it's just under a swing low, and it's also a little bit under VWAP, so you might want to think about taking it. Although I think if we get down there, it's kind of bad. 24,578. Just want to bring it up.
So it used to be 4.5 equal to mini. Now I guess it's 3.5. So it's kind of a raising commissions on micros. That sucks. Still, I mean, at 60 cents, you're literally talking what, like 2 ticks or something.
And like they said so many times, and not they, including me,
So it's
I
what,
used to,
$2? What's up?
I used to trade futures in the 90s,
Yeah.
1990s. I don't remember what I paid, but it might have been as much as $5 or $10 a contract. It was insane.
I mean, I really just stopped doing commissions on stocks. That used to be like $5 just to buy or sell stock,
Yeah.
or buy stock, or however it worked. I went with Webull just because they were one of the only ones that had no commissions on certain ETFs, and then they went to free commissions on more and more. Webull and what's the other one that everybody liked? I never really understood.
I always forget their name.
Uh,
Go Right.
Robinhood.
Robinhood, that's the one.
I never liked Robinhood. They didn't even, you didn't have a chart.
Yeah.
I think they got better now, but back then you didn't even have a chart. You're just like blindly buying and selling. Did you download or not? This program tells me it can do it all for free. Let's check it out. VCam. You ever heard of it?
No.
I'll try it. I mean, I can't be too mad at Prism. They offer everything for free.
Yeah, but I would still suggest you dump Prism and you dump Line 6 and you just go to OBS.
What's so great about OBS?
Nothing. It's just, cut down the amount of apps you're using. Make your life easier, hopefully. Potentially.
Whether I use Prism or use OBS, it would still be using an app.
Yeah, well then, okay, so dump Line 6.
Line 6 allows me to listen to the audio, allows me to control the microphone.
I can still control my microphone and listen to audio. I disagree with you.
Upload background.
There's nothing you can do that I can't do.
Well, I could say the same thing. What can you do that I can't do?
Yeah, but I'm only using one app. You're using two.
What app am I using?
Prism and Line 6. So you get more conflict. Just a suggestion.
Line 6 ain't got nothing to do with Prism. Line 6 is for the audio.
Just a suggestion. I'm still getting craft dinner for lunch.
Don't you have a microphone?
Yep. Controlled by OBS. No intermediary. No middleman.
Failed to initialize camera. Well, how do I bet it's because I got it over there. What does that mean? What does that mean? Where? Camera. Yeah, here's what I'll do. No device. All right, let's try again. There we go. Oh, this one does, what do you call it? This one has a watermark also. You still there? I ain't heard you in a while. You sleeping?
Hello. Well, you're off. You're in the dark there.
I got a different camera.
I'm listening to YouTube Shorts. Listen to Megan Kelly talk about Cash Patel and Dan Bongino. Bongino.
Did you ever think to yourself, I sure wish I could remove this chair behind me? My life sure would be a lot better.
What a run higher. Look at that. There we got to the 650 again. Wow, what incredible price action. Seriously. Getting some nice moves. Well, the account that was up 500 and something is now up 815.
Any other options? That's it. Remove chair. That's what we're so worried about.
Remove chair? I got a headache.
Why do I care about the chair?
Who's telling you to remove a chair? Where are you getting that kind of advice from?
I don't know, but I can remove the chair. I can zoom in super close to my face too. Auto framing. Fuck, what y'all want to know? If I got boogers in my nose? What the fuck? Why are you trying to look at me like that? Oh, I know why that guy said normally people ain't asking for his government name. You probably asked him for his name before, didn't you?
I know his name.
See, that's why.
Mm-hmm.
Asking people for their government names.
What's a government name? A name is a name. It's not a government name. It's a name from your parents.
It is a government name.
And it's your first name. Doesn't divulge anything. It's the same thing like an alias. A first name is an alias, to be honest with you. If you think about it.
Everybody thinks about it differently.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I pulled away from it for a while because I don't know, I just got back into it. I'll stop. It's wrong. I made a mistake. It's okay. I didn't give his name away. I called him Big D.
Just harassing you.
Actually, talking about that, I never, ever, ever hear you call me anything.
Me?
Yeah, because it's weird to call me Futures. And you don't use my name, which I don't care about. I'm not shy about my name. My name is Mike. Everyone in the world can hear it.
Oh, you Canada Mike.
Canada Mike.
I told you that. You don't like being called the other guy.
I know, but you never say it. You never say like, hey, Mike, calm down.
I do all the time.
You just say, hey, calm down. No, you never reference a name because you don't have one for me.
Say your name several times a day. What are you talking about?
I don't notice. Is it craft dinner time? I'm really looking forward to that craft dinner. I haven't been on TikTok in a long time. Oh boy, this looks good. What is this? Tall Pines on Netflix. Anybody see anything about it? Tall Pines? Oh no, it's called Wayward. Only
Wayward
on Netflix.
Pines?
Only Wayward. No, the girl starts the commercial with "Welcome to Tall Pines." I thought that was the name of the thing, but it's the name of the show is Wayward. Show, movie, not sure. Either way. Wayward. I'm going to write that down. I'll watch that with my wife. I don't watch a lot of TV, but that looked really good. Okay, so I wrote the letter I and the letter O on my hand, and I have no idea why. You want to stream in the afternoon or today? You want to give it a shot?
You think my stuff's gonna work?
I think you'll probably be working on it while we're preparing to stream later on. Maybe. I don't know.
We can if you want to. I don't care.
Okay.
Help, feedback, settings,
Order filled.
performance. Force high performance. Why don't you high performance on a camera? Really use that much?
Hmm.
I don't know why before it was like working so good, and now it's like I don't know what it's doing. Name tag John Doe. I don't want to be John Doe.
Okay, so let me go eat, and we'll be back at 1:30.
Not even time, is it?
But that was the deal. We end earlier if we're going to stream in the afternoon. I got to eat. You know how long it takes to make craft dinner? Do you know how many noodles are in that box?
Yeah. I don't have the cutoff.
In the Discord. Yeah, that's working better. You,
Looks like I can like stretch my arms out, huh?
yeah, let's get that craft dinner in our bellies. What are you making calls, Butters, in the Discord? You should be calling them here. Oh, wait, Omnius ran to the Discord. Oh, now he's back. I like it. That's really nice. Don't change nothing.
Well, it's still got the damn thing in the way.
It doesn't matter. It's covering your nipples. It's perfect. Okay, I'm going to go eat. I'm back at 1:30. Goodbye. We're good?
I'm not streaming. I mean, you're the one that's got to end it, buddy.
Okay, well, you want to stay on my stream? I don't care if you want to stay.
No, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing with my camera, what I'm doing with my microphone,
Yeah.
what I'm doing with my computer. I'm having a crisis day. Everybody gets a crisis day once in a while, right?
Everybody does. Go call your urologist. Schedule a prostate exam. You'll be in a better mood.
Need a prostate exam to bring me back, huh?
And we'll see you guys. Thanks for showing up. I'm going to go have a quick...
The good news is, before you go, the good news is I can remove my chair.
What does that even mean? Oh, remove your chair so it doesn't show. I think the chair should show. I removed the chair also, but I always think the chair should show. That's
I don't know
anyways,
where it went. I lost it. All right, bye.
We'll take a poll later. Should the chair show or not? Should we remove the chair or not? Okay, guys, thanks for showing up. We'll be back at 1:30. If you're interested in an afternoon session, we're going to try that out. Omnius has promised not to take a nap this afternoon and instead stream with us.
Okay, see the chair?
There it is.
There's the chair. Yeah.
Wow, what kind of feature is that? What, that's Prism?
No, it's a VCam.
Yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. So it's like you're standing.
I don't know why this doorknob keeps sometimes popping up over here.
I don't see it.
There it went.
I see a little white. If you move quickly, there's going to be white, but don't move quickly. Well, yeah, if you do that, it's going to show up.
Yeah,
now you're into
it shows up every now and then. I keep seeing it.
Yeah, now you just reached into the multiverse, so. Of course. You just got an alternate universe to show up. But if you move slow, that's the trick. Keep your movement slow and you don't get artifact. Now, you see, you turned your head too fast there. No, don't turn your head that fast. Turn your head slow.
This one looks clearer on my screen, but then I look on yours and it looks darker. I don't know. I'll have to try a few things out.
11:45, coin flipped. We want to be taking it.
I thought you
Chat's
were leaving.
choice. I can stay for Chat's choice. One more. We never had 2 losers in a row. Do we have someone to call it out? There's not. I don't know. There's really no one in the room.
He said he was leaving. Now he's staying. We don't.
Let's
never know what
check.
he's doing.
Let me load up. Anybody want to call Chat's choice? We got 30 seconds.
How about that auto frame? Like
No, the other one was better.
Like that.
It was better. Let's go.
No
Chat's
guy should be
choice.
staring at no other guy like that.
What are you talking about?
Like putting my face like right up on the camera.
Yeah, Joker, you should always fight for a good price. Chat's choice. Call it long, call it short. Where do you think we're going? 10 points up, 10 points down. 10-point TP, 10-point stop loss.
Could do block.
You don't get
Blur, block.
you don't get the winnings, but you don't have to pay for the loss. Anybody?
There you go. How's that one?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
I don't know. I like the one with the neon with the background there. You know, the one that says Joker Trades.
Joker Trades.
Ah, Omnius Trades. Sorry. It's mine. Mine says Joker's Floor. Joker is good. Joker goes with everything. Joker's Floor. I like that too. Okay, no one called it. That means craft dinner time. Goodbye. Thank you very much. I get to eat sooner. I'm hungry. 1:30. I'll be back. I'll see you guys for an afternoon session. And, yeah, peace out. Take care, guys.